Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medicinist Tips. Today we are going to look about RAS mechanisms, that is renin angiotensin aldosterone system. We will cover the components of RAS mechanism and how it occurs in detail. We will first look about renin. Renin is an enzyme. It is an acid protease. It is secreted from the juxtaglomerular cells of juxtaglomerular apparatus present in nephrons. It is a glycoprotein synthesized as a pre-prorenin, which is converted into prorenin and renin subsequently. It acts on the enzyme angiotensinogen and converts the angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. So, renin is also called angiotensinogenase. Renin activates the RAS mechanism, which is essential for regulating extracellular fluid volume, and blood pressure. Factors that increase renin secretion: decreased blood volume or pressure, decreased plasma sodium ion concentration, increased plasma potassium ion concentration, increased sympathetic activity that activates the renin secretion from juxtaglomerular cells of the juxtaglomerular apparatus, increased circulating catecholamines, that is epinephrine and norepinephrine, and prostaglandins. These factors will cause the increased secretion of renin from JG cell. Now we will look the conditions in which secretion of renin is high. Hypotension, that is decreased blood pressure, hyponatremia, that is decreased plasma sodium ion concentration, hyperkalemia, increased potassium ion concentration, hypovolemia, that is conditions like hemorrhage, dehydration, cardiac failure, standing for a long time, renal artery stenosis, liver cirrhosis, and psychological depression. In these conditions, the secretion of renin is high. The role of sodium ion in renin secretion. When there is decreased plasma sodium ion concentration, there will be decreased filtration of sodium ions through glomerular filtration membrane, which will cause decreased sodium ion concentration in the tubular fluid. It will be sensed by the macula densa cells of the juxtaglomerular apparatus, which will provide feedback signals into the juxtaglomerular cells. Juxtaglomerular cells will secrete renin in response to the signal. Renin activates the RAS mechanism, which produces angiotensin 2. Angiotensin increases the sodium and water reabsorption from the tubules of nephron. Then the plasma sodium ion concentration is restored, and opposite mechanisms occur when there is increased plasma sodium ion concentration. Now about angiotensinogen. It is a glycoprotein synthesized in the liver. Its concentration in plasma increases by the following factors: glucocorticoids, thyroid hormones, estrogen, cytokines, and angiotensin 2 by positive feedback mechanism. It is physiologically inactive form. It is converted into angiotensin 1 by renin. Angiotensin 1 is further converted into angiotensin 2 by the action of enzyme angiotensin converting enzyme, which is mainly synthesized in the lungs. About angiotensin 1. It is the precursor of angiotensin 2. It is formed by the action of renin on angiotensinogen. It is also physiologically inactive form like angiotensinogen. It gets converted into angiotensin 2 by the action of enzyme angiotensin converting enzyme. Angiotensin converting enzyme is a carboxypeptidase, which is synthesized by the endothelial cells of blood vessels throughout the body, mainly from the blood vessels of lungs. So, lungs is the major site of conversion of angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2. Actions of angiotensin 2. It increases the ADH secretion from posterior pituitary. ADH is the antidiuretic hormone or vasopressin. It increases the adrenocorticotropic hormone secretion from anterior pituitary, which will stimulate the synthesis of aldosterone from the adrenal cortex. It acts on brain centers to decrease the sensitivity of baroreflex so as to improve the pressure effects of angiotensin II. It stimulates the thirst centers in brain to increase water intake. It also acts as neurotransmitter in some areas of brain. Some other actions of angiotensin II. It increases the reabsorption of sodium and water from PCT. It causes the contraction of mesangial or Lassis cells, which decreases the glomerular filtration rate. It is one of the most potent vasoconstrictor. The potency of it is 8 times than norepinephrine. In hyponatremia and liver cirrhosis, angiotensin II level in the plasma rises. So as a compensatory mechanism, the vasoconstriction activity of angiotensin II is decreased in that case. Angiotensin II causes the release of norepinephrine, which potentiates the vasoconstrictor activity. It also increases the secretion of aldosterone from adrenal cortex, which increases the reabsorption of sodium and water from kidney tubules. RAS mechanism in short. When there is a drop in blood pressure or fluid volume, renin is released from kidney, which acts on angiotensinogen and converts the angiotensinogen into angiotensin I. Angiotensin I is converted into angiotensin II by the action of enzyme angiotensin converting enzyme, which is mainly released from lungs. Angiotensin II formed acts directly on blood vessels, stimulating the vasoconstriction effect, or they act on the adrenal cortex to release aldosterone, which acts on the kidneys to stimulate reabsorption of water and sodium chloride, which increases the blood pressure and retains the fluid volume. That's all about renin angiotensin aldosterone or RAS mechanism. I hope that you understood about it. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel Medicinous Tips for more videos. Thank you for watching the video.